This application provides an exquisite live wallpaper experience that transforms your Android device into a serene water garden, bringing the tranquility of nature right to your fingertips. It features beautifully animated scenes showcasing flowing water, lush aquatic plants, and elegantly swimming fish, creating a captivating and peaceful ambiance. Users can immerse themselves in stunning visuals that change dynamically, reflecting the gentle ripples of water and the soft swaying of plants, evoking feelings of relaxation. The app offers extensive customization options, allowing users to select various aquatic plants and fish, adjust the speed of water movement, and even change the time of day to create different moods. Additionally, the app includes subtle sounds of flowing water and nature, enhancing the relaxing experience while allowing users to choose whether to activate or deactivate these sounds. Overall, this live wallpaper application is perfect for nature enthusiasts and anyone seeking to add tranquility to their digital space, beautifying the home screen and providing moments of peace with each glance at the device.